Hi friends, welcome back in our another video. Today in this video we will know about a mind-blowing extension which will be very helpful for you. So without wasting a single bit of time, let's start our video. So for adding extension, click on three dots at topmost corner of your browser. Click on extensions, visit Chrome Web Store, search email tracker for Gmail. This extension will help you to acknowledge the mail you have sent to any person. This extension will acknowledge you. So for adding extension, click on add to Chrome, add extension. From here you can connect it with your Google to sign in here with your email ID from which you want to track your emails. In next video I will tell you if someone is tracking you with this extension, then how can you prevent yourself from this extension. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. And I have created a playlist on some useful Chrome extensions and VS Code extensions also. So please check out those playlists also. They might be helpful for you.